Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this big Remington typewriter on the bench here. That is a parts machine that got dropped and the carriage is broken, the frame is broken, back panel has been salvaged. A lot of parts have been salvaged, but what we're going to look at today is this tabulator rack right here on this. So I needed to, somebody wanted some of these tab stops. So sure enough, this one has some tab stops on the rack. But when I got to looking at this, I found it quite interesting. So here's the decimal tabulator gizmo here. I think this is what runs the decimal tabulator. And not really sure. But not too worried about it. The carriage is not working at all anyhow, so well, it's sort of working. I guess it is moving a little bit. But what I noticed here when I started messing with these tab stops was it's got a scale on the top here, right there. Number 70, 60 right down the line. But what this does, over on this side, it's got this dial right here. This dial flips this rack around to a reverse position right there. So it turns all the way around either way. It's got a little detent so it locks into place. So then I noticed this, these tabs can stick in there one way or the other. So these guys here are engaged because this piece is protruding right here. So this piece is what's going to grab. So when the tab rack is in this position, it uses these tabs. But if you were to switch this around here and spin it like this, now these tabs are working. This one, and this one. These two are disengaged. So it's a dual tab set rack here. So while it's in that position, these two guys are working, and that one is disengaged when he's flipping around. This one works, and these two are disengaged. I just thought that was pretty cool. They had like dual settings, so you could easily get two different settings by just a flick of the mechanism here. And I don't know what that's called exactly, but I thought it was pretty neat, and I thought I would put it on the camera and show how neat these old typewriters can be. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.